How to fix and solve PayPal payment was denied. In order to fix and solve PayPal payment was denied, you'll have to follow these steps. Now, first thing first, you want to make sure to check for an update. So head over to your Play Store, and on the search box, you want to type in Play Store, PayPal, and locate whether the application is completely up to date or not. After it is updated, you want to click on the open button and log into your account. So there are different ways in order to fix it. So now, first thing what you could actually do is you could actually go ahead and contact your credit card issuer directly, or alternatively you could go and link a different card to your account to make a payment. So when you are in the home page, you want to go to the payment, or you could actually go ahead and or else you could go to the wallet and you could then add a new credit card or replace it with another one that should be able to fix it. So however, if that's not the case, you could also try contacting the seller directly or logging into the transaction detail page to view your seller's response as well. Now sometimes you must have sometimes there might be a poor connectivity as well, so you could always go ahead and make sure to check your internet as well. Despite of doing all of these procedures, nothing seems to be working out, and you could directly contact the customer service. So for that, you could actually go to the home page, tap on the tab bar icon from the top right hand side corner of your screen. Then you could actually go ahead and click on, so in order to contact the customer support, you want to open up a browser and type in PayPal support. And when you go ahead and click on it, or you could go ahead and press the first link that comes and read the instructions, all of that, and by doing this you should be able to get a response, or your issue should be fixed. So this is how you could fix PayPal payment was denied issue. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.